Separation of duties is defined as an operational security mechanism for preventing fraud and unauthorized use that requires two or more individuals to complete a task or perform a specific function. Separation of duties does not necessarily require two people to perform a single task, but requires that the person performing a task is not the same person that is checking on the task. Separation of duties is a powerful concept for process control and is commonly seen in financial applications that assign separate individuals to the functions of approving, performing, and auditing or balancing a transaction. This ensures that no single person operating alone can perform a fraudulent act without detection. Separation of duties can also be applied to the design of fully automated systems by breaking a complex and critical task into several subtasks, each of which is performed by a separate software or hardware process. Installing a new applications program on Windows, Linux, or Android-based systems often requires that the installation scripts are processed by one set of software, such as a package manager, which uses a built-in operating system's utility to perform critical, sensitive steps in that installation process. Dual control is similar to a separation of duties in that it requires two or more people operating at the same time to perform a single function. Examples of dual control include use of two signatures for processing payments, supervisor overrides for transactions over a certain monetary value, and for the recovery of encryption keys. Separation of duties does not prevent collusion. Collusion is where two or more people cooperate to bypass separation of duties and perpetuate a fraudulent act. Careful transaction balancing and review of suspicious activity and output captured in logs, transaction registers, and reports are the best methods of detecting collusion. In some organizations, additional operational security practices such as mandatory vacation periods or job rotations are enforced to provide management with an opportunity to prevent and detect collusion.